In today's video, we're diving into the unexpected benefits of embracing your introverted side. Many people view introversion as a limitation, but it can actually be a source of strength and creativity. We'll explore how introverts often excel in deep thinking, meaningful connections, and self-awareness. By the end of this video, you'll discover unique advantages that come with being introverted, and how embracing this aspect of your personality can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Enhanced listening skills. Introverts often excel in listening, a crucial skill for building deeper connections in both personal and professional relationships. Active listening fosters understanding and empathy, allowing individuals to truly grasp others' perspectives. For instance, when an introvert engages in a conversation, they tend to focus intently, making the speaker feel valued and heard. This ability not only strengthens bonds, but also helps introverts leverage their listening skills to create stronger networks, paving the way for meaningful interactions and collaborations. Creative problem solving. Introverts often think deeply, which can lead to innovative solutions and problem solving. This correlation between introversion and creativity allows introverted individuals to approach challenges from unique angles. For example, renowned introverted thinkers like Albert Einstein and J.K. Rowling have made significant contributions by harnessing their reflective nature. Their ability to ponder complex ideas has inspired countless innovations. By embracing your unique thought processes, you too can unlock your creative potential and tackle problems in ways that others might overlook. Stronger focus and concentration. Introverts often thrive in environments that require deep focus, making solitary work a significant advantage for their productivity. Working alone allows them to immerse themselves in tasks without distractions, leading to higher quality outcomes. To create a focused work environment, consider minimizing noise, organizing your workspace, and setting specific goals. Additionally, uninterrupted time is crucial for introverts, as it enables them to delve deeply into their work and harness their full potential. Embracing these strategies can enhance your productivity and creativity. Deeper relationships. Introverts often prefer quality over quantity when it comes to relationships, valuing meaningful connections with a select few individuals. This focus allows them to invest time and energy into nurturing these bonds, leading to deeper understanding and trust. Introverts typically engage in thoughtful conversations and shared experiences, which strengthen their connections. By appreciating your unique social preferences, you can embrace the beauty of cultivating profound relationships that enrich your life, rather than feeling pressured to maintain a large social circle. Self-reflection and growth. Introverts often possess a natural tendency for introspection, which can significantly enhance personal development. Engaging in self-reflection leads to greater self-awareness, helping individuals understand their thoughts, feelings, and motivations. Techniques such as journaling, meditation, and setting aside quiet time for contemplation can facilitate effective introspection. By embracing these practices, introverts can uncover valuable insights about themselves and their goals. Remember, your journey of self-discovery is unique and essential, so take the time to explore and celebrate your growth. Adaptability in social situations. Introverts possess a unique ability to observe and adapt to social dynamics, allowing them to navigate various social situations effectively. By paying attention to group interactions, they can identify comfortable entry points for conversation. To make social gatherings more enjoyable, introverts can prepare conversation starters, seek out smaller groups, or take breaks when needed. Additionally, being selective about social interactions empowers introverts to invest their energy in meaningful connections, ultimately enhancing their overall social experience and well-being. Mindfulness and presence. Introverts often practice mindfulness in their daily lives, finding value in being present and aware in the moment. This awareness can lead to reduced stress and enhanced emotional well-being. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and mindful walking resonate well with introverted personalities, allowing for quiet reflection and connection with oneself. By incorporating mindfulness into your routine, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace and clarity, helping you navigate life's challenges with a more centered and focused mindset. Unique perspectives. Introverts bring fresh viewpoints to discussions and projects, enriching teamwork and fostering creativity. Their thoughtful insights often lead to innovative breakthroughs that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, introverted team members may identify potential challenges or propose unique solutions that enhance project outcomes. The value of diverse perspectives cannot be overstated, as they encourage collaboration and inspire new ideas. So, don't hesitate to share your unique viewpoints confidently. Your contributions can make a significant difference in any setting. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the key benefits of embracing introversion, including enhanced listening skills, creative problem solving, and the ability to form deeper relationships. We emphasize the importance of self-acceptance and understanding your unique personality traits. Remember, being introverted is not a limitation, but a strength that can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video to stay updated on more insights about personality and self-discovery. Thank you for watching,